then see that the moment na for. So look at the same thing. I will book one shot now. One to me and there and see. So look at the form so one shall be supreme. Now what's a sign? And you know it's better for you to have that balance. So anything you can do it, but in that form, don't underestimate it. Yes.
WeBuild Ghana. If you want to build any building from ground to the up, please don't go anywhere. Contact WeBuild Ghana. They build buildings, they renovation buildings. If you want your architecture and structure drawing, don't go anywhere. They do masonry, they do carpentry, they do paintings, they do steel bending, they do borehole drilling, and all electricals, even tiring. If you want to tiring your house, they can tiring the. You and Gasa, you are going to marvelous. They are in Kumasi, Odium, Around New Amsterdam Hotel at Odium. Go there. They are there. You can call them. They are there. Their CEO is warranting actually. He can come and do your job for you and make sure everything is going well for you. Contact them and make sure your dream building have reality building. WeBuild Ghana.
It's a 5-bedroom main project. Then you have your gate here that will make it automated. You have the tiers. This the security post. Then you have a rooftop here. Then beneath the rooftop is a carport. Then we have a gym here that is not yet filled up. So this is a gym. And upstairs we have 2 luxury suites up there. And this serves as a pool area. Then you have a rooftop as well. Then this side houses the washroom That is the female, the male washroom for the pool. Then you have another rooftop as well. Then as I said, this is the main project. So this, once again, is WeBuild Ghana. And today we are at Konongo. And I believe most of you have actually watched the stats. If you haven't, this is the stats.
If you want to build any building from ground to the up, please don't go anywhere. Contact WeBuild Ghana.
Reinforcement. This is the stairs. Actually, this is the reason why people say that if you are not ready, you can contract. We build constructions because we actually use the best materials, and as we know, best materials comes with a great cost. But we have you at heart, so you know we can't just do any cliche or any shoddy job for you, because we are paying at the end of the day. So you know you must do the best and the best on you, so you don't have a second option or maybe plan B. It's always plan A. So that's that. As you can see, this 20 mm. This whole side will hang. This whole side will hang. So as you can see, there's a lot of reinforcement here, and the bars are 16 mm. The bars, the down bars, the top bars, they are all 16 mm. So as you can see, this is not that much let's say a mansion or anything, just 3 bedrooms up here, but you know, it's very, very tough. You can park excavator here. We don't just build. We build forever.
If you want to build any building from ground to the up, please don't go anywhere. Contact me. If you want to build any building from ground to the up, please don't go anywhere. If you want to build any building If you want to build any building from ground to the up, please don't go anywhere. Contact WeBuild Ghana.